Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this POCO smartphone. First of all, you need to open Tools folder, then click on the Recorder app. After that, select this red button to start your recording, choose while using the app and tap on Allow. As you can see now, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using this red button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and in order to end it and save it, on the right one. Now name it however you wish to, and delete it right away by choosing Delete, or save it by tapping on OK. Now you need to click on this right button with 3 lines to access list of all your recordings. Then tap on Allow. Now tap on the chosen one in order to play it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like recording format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!